It's working now. It's recording us. Okay. This is my 88-year-old mother, and I'm her 65-year-old daughter. And it's late at night, and we've had dinner, and we have not been drinking. We've had dessert, and we're ready. We're in our pajamas.
Margie and Pam.
It's
Clemens.
Margie
And Pam.
and Pam.
Johnson.
Okay, now let me get it going here.
Clemens.
We're going to sing a very, very old traditional hymn called "I'll Fly Away." Well, you don't want to put it in front of your face.
Well, that's
Just
not
hold
it.
right
This
there.
is not it. Yeah, some
Yes,
glad
it
morning.
is. I'll fly away. Now this might be. I can edit this. Let me get going. Some
Glad morning when this life is o'er, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shores. Yes, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by. Yes, I'll fly away. When the shadows of this life has gone, I'll fly away. Like a bird from prison bars has flown, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Just a few more weary days and nights, I'll fly away to a land where joy shall never end. Yes, I'll fly away. Yes, I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by. Yes, I'll fly away.
You know, we did not practice that.
That was pretty.
That was pretty. Mommy thinks it was pretty.
Well, you
Okay.
didn't.
Now here's.
They're not going to see a picture of
Now
us.
here,
are
okay, now we'll stop it. Let's stop this one. We're done with this.